Hello guys! We cook also guys our favorites. Yada, Teran favorites. Our favorites. Yes. It's a yummy favorite guys. Enjoy watching everyone. Enjoy to our favorite guys. Favorite guys. Yan na guys. Yan ha, yan. Lalaki pa ng ano guys, mga pansit ba, ngayon niya siya oh, ganon. Enjoy watching and God bless. Yan, ganda namin cook dito ng lobster.